Hey, what's happening, you guys? Sean Casilli here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida, and I'm at another unit here, another condo, Gulfront condo in Panama City Beach. This one is Shores of Panama 2001. So we're on the 20th floor in the one stack. And the cool thing about that is we are on the end. We're on the west end of the building, and this listing is currently held by Marina Gregorian with Coldwell Banker Realty, and this video is a buyer's agent type of informal video to give you a tour around the property and done with her permission. So thank you, Marina, for letting us take this tour of your beautiful listing here. This is a 3-bedroom and a 1, 2, 3 bath. So let's take a look. So here's the front door. As you come in, there's a nice protected hallway here for when it gets windy and rainy. So you can see from the balcony there. I want to take you down to the balcony here in the hallway to show you the pool and why I think this particular unit that we're looking at today is so special. So here we have this U shape. It's like a horseshoe shape, and there's a lot of noise that comes up from the pool. So if you have one of these other units in the building and it's got a lot of activity going on around the pool, you'll hear all that noise on your balcony, which could be a good thing if you like to party. But if you wanted to just capture some nice ocean views from your balcony without a lot of noise from the pool, you'll be able to do that from this unit, and I will take you to the balcony in a second. It's a very foggy day here, and there straight across you can see the balcony. But normally this view you would be able to see all the way to the west end of the beach if there was no fog. So let's go back inside the unit now and see what your actual living space is going to be like in here. So we're at unit 2001. So as you walk in, you got LVP floors. Right behind the door here, we have an owner's closet, which is locked. And directly across the front door, we have the first bedroom. Good sized closet here, with this window here facing west, looking down the beach. You have a bathroom here attached to this bedroom. So you got a shower and tub combo there. And then again, the views from your bed are going to be of the beach, not just looking out over the ocean and seeing nothing but water, which is beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I like being able to see down the beach from this unit, especially on a clear day. Gives a little more interest to the view. Continuing on through the unit, you have laundry, and then a dehumidifier there, which helps out if someone leaves the door open. Here's your kitchen and living room. But before we move further on, I just want to reorient the space here. So here's our second bedroom. This is furnished with 2 bunks here to sleep 4 people in this room. There's that window right outside the front door into the hallway. And from this room, you have a closet over there in the corner, and then you have a door that goes to the second bathroom. You can also access this second bathroom via the hallway here off of the living room. The LVP transitions to a tile floor now. And again, you have everything you need. A shower and tub combination here for your second bathroom. We have another closet here. And then you have your water heater and your air handler in this other closet here. At the time of this video, it looks like this granite has had a crack through it and looks like it was repaired. Another couple cracks here. The thing that you cannot replace is this view. You have another western facing window and a wraparound balcony with a door on the west side and on the south side, and one more point of egress to the balcony from the primary bedroom that is on the Gulf side of the unit. So from this bedroom, again, you have a door that leads out to the wraparound balcony, which we will go out there in a second. But you also have this view of the Gulf right out your window from your bedroom. Another closet there, and then our last bathroom. We have a door here that keeps the bathtub, water closet area private. And again, another shower and tub combination. Let's go out on the balcony. I apologize for the weather, but like I always say, hard to control. Beyond my powers anyways. But this is the view. Listen to those waves. Really wish that it wasn't so foggy, because this is one of the best views in Panama City Beach, is looking this way down the beach. You can just see for miles down the beach. All right, you guys. Thanks for tuning in on Shores of Panama 2001, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, listed by Marina Gregorian with Coldwell Banker Realty. If you have any questions about this unit, if you'd like to see it in person, please give me a call. My contact information is down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.